Hey there, my friends. Are you ready to take on a challenge that might just change your life? In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you a secret that doctors have been whispering about for years, a secret that involves something as simple as one egg a day. Now, I know what you might be thinking, an egg, really? But stick with me, because what I'm about to reveal isn't your ordinary breakfast talk. This is a call to action for every one of you who believes that age is just a number and that maintaining your health is a journey worth taking. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy, a spark that not only wakes you up, but also sets your body on the right track for muscle strength, heart health, and overall vitality. For those of us who have gathered a few more years of wisdom, it's no secret that our bodies demand a little extra care. And what could be simpler than incorporating one small, nutrient-packed egg into your daily routine? Today, I challenge you to think about your plate, to reconsider what you've been told about eggs, and to explore a healthier, more energetic way of living. Over the next several minutes, we'll dive deep into the science and the stories behind this humble food, uncovering benefits that are too good to ignore. So grab your coffee, settle in, and prepare to be inspired, because this isn't just another video. It's a high-energy call to action that could revolutionize the way you live. Let's crack this challenge open and get ready to discover the egg advantage. Stick around and see how this one simple ingredient can spark a major transformation in your health, energy, and overall quality of life. Let's get cracking now. Now let's talk about the powerhouse that is the egg. In every modest egg lies a treasure trove of nutrients that are essential for keeping our bodies strong and resilient as we age. First and foremost, eggs are loaded with high-quality protein, about 6 grams per egg, which plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, especially as we experience the natural loss of muscle that comes with aging, a process known as sarcopenia. For many seniors, maintaining muscle strength isn't just about staying fit. It's about preserving independence and reducing the risk of falls and injuries. The protein in eggs contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks our bodies need for repairing and renewing tissues. This makes eggs a simple yet effective solution for anyone looking to support their physical vitality without resorting to complex supplements or elaborate diets. But that's not all. Eggs are also a fantastic source of several key vitamins and minerals that are particularly important for older adults. Consider vitamin B12, for example. This vital nutrient supports nerve function and helps in the production of red blood cells, ensuring that our brains stay sharp and our energy levels remain steady throughout the day. Many seniors find it challenging to absorb enough vitamin B12 from their diets alone, so the inclusion of eggs can be a critical boost. Furthermore, eggs are rich in vitamin D, a nutrient that helps the body absorb calcium, which is indispensable for maintaining bone strength. With osteoporosis being a common concern in later years, a steady supply of vitamin D from everyday foods can help reduce the likelihood of fractures and support a robust skeletal structure. Another standout component in eggs is choline. This nutrient is not as well known as others, but it plays a significant role in brain health. Choline aids in memory retention and muscle control, which can be especially beneficial for those looking to stave off the cognitive decline that sometimes accompanies aging. Alongside choline, eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in high concentrations in the yolk. These antioxidants are celebrated for their ability to protect the eyes from harmful light exposure and to help prevent conditions such as age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss among seniors. When it comes to heart health, eggs have also been given a second look. There used to be widespread concern about the cholesterol content in eggs and its potential link to heart disease. However, more recent research has shown that for most people, including older adults, the cholesterol in eggs does not significantly impact blood cholesterol levels. In fact, the good fats in eggs, which include both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, can actually help improve heart health by balancing out cholesterol levels, lowering the dreaded LDL, bad cholesterol, while boosting the beneficial HDL, good cholesterol. This makes eggs not only a source of energy, but also a heart-friendly food option when consumed in moderation. Let's not forget the role that eggs play in managing weight and controlling appetite. As we age, our metabolism tends to slow down, making it more challenging to maintain a healthy weight. Eggs, being high in protein, can help keep you feeling fuller for longer, thereby reducing overall calorie intake. This sense of fullness is crucial for avoiding overeating and ensuring that you have sustained energy throughout the day. Starting your morning with an egg or two can set a positive tone for your eating habits, encouraging smarter, more balanced choices later on in the day. Moreover, eggs contribute significantly to bone health through not only vitamin D, but also through essential minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These nutrients work together harmoniously to build and maintain a strong skeletal system. For seniors who are at an increased risk of losing bone density, integrating eggs into your diet can be a strategic move to reinforce your bones, reduce the risk of fractures, and ultimately help fend off conditions like osteoporosis. When your bones are strong, you're more capable of enjoying an active lifestyle and reducing the risk of debilitating injuries that might otherwise hamper your daily routine. In short, the egg is far more than just a breakfast staple. It is a multifaceted nutritional powerhouse that supports muscle repair, cognitive function, bone health, heart health, and weight management. By offering a balanced blend of high-quality proteins, essential vitamins, and minerals, eggs provide an accessible way to fortify your body against the natural challenges of aging. Whether you're looking to maintain your independence, boost your energy levels, or simply savor a delicious meal that nourishes your body and soul, incorporating an egg into your daily diet is a small yet impactful decision. It's a testament to the idea that sometimes the simplest choices can yield the most remarkable benefits for your long-term health. While eggs are undeniably nutritious, not all eggs are created equal. It's important for seniors to be aware of the types of eggs that might pose a risk to their health. Here, we discuss 5 specific categories of eggs that should be avoided to maximize the health benefits of your daily egg intake. First on the list are raw or undercooked eggs. Although some people enjoy them in certain dishes, consuming eggs that haven't been cooked thoroughly can expose you to harmful bacteria, such as salmonella. For seniors, whose immune systems may not be as robust, the risk of food poisoning is a serious concern. To safeguard your health, always ensure that both the whites and yolks are properly set before eating. The second type to steer clear of is factory-farmed eggs. These eggs come from hens that are raised in cramped, indoor conditions, often fed a diet that includes antibiotics and hormones. Such conditions not only diminish the nutritional value of the eggs, but may also introduce unwanted chemicals into your body over time. Opting for eggs from free-range or pasture-raised chickens can provide a more natural nutrient profile, along with a better ethical footprint. Thirdly, be cautious of eggs that contain added hormones or antibiotics. In some commercial operations, eggs may be produced from chickens that are given synthetic growth hormones or antibiotics to boost production. Although these additives are present in small amounts, the long-term health effects, particularly for older adults, can be worrisome. The overuse of antibiotics, for example, has been linked to antibiotic resistance, which could complicate future infections. Next, avoid eggs that have been overcooked. While it might seem counterintuitive, cooking eggs for too long, especially when frying or scrambling, can lead to the formation of harmful compounds like acrylamide. This substance has been associated with an increased risk of cancer in animal studies, and although the evidence in humans remains under investigation, it's wise to err on the side of caution. Cooking eggs gently so that they are just set can help preserve their nutritional benefits while minimizing the risk of harmful compound formation. Lastly, steer clear of commercially processed egg products. These include items like powdered eggs, pre-cooked scrambled egg mixtures, or liquid egg substitutes, which are often laden with preservatives, artificial flavors, and unhealthy fats. While they may offer convenience, these products typically lack the full spectrum of nutrients found in fresh eggs. For seniors looking to maximize the health advantages of their egg consumption, sticking to whole, fresh eggs is the best approach. By avoiding these 5 types of eggs, seniors can ensure that they are reaping the full benefits of one of nature's most versatile and nutritious foods. Making informed choices about the eggs you eat can have a significant impact on your overall health, supporting everything from muscle maintenance to cognitive function and beyond. Understanding the difference between these egg varieties can make a real difference in your daily health regimen. It is not just about avoiding potential hazards. It is about actively choosing foods that contribute positively to your body's natural healing and maintenance processes. By opting for eggs that are fresh, organically produced, and cooked with care, you are investing in a future of stronger muscles, better memory, and a more active lifestyle. Remember, the quality of what you eat is just as important as the quantity, and making small changes in your daily diet can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. So next time you reach for that carton of eggs, take a moment to consider where they came from and how they were raised, because your health is worth every extra bit of thought and effort. Now that we've unpacked the incredible benefits of incorporating an egg a day into your routine, as well as the types you should avoid, it's time to bring it all together. This isn't just a discussion about food, it's a challenge to reimagine how you approach your diet and your life. For many seniors, making the shift to a healthier, more thoughtful way of eating can spark improvements that ripple through every aspect of daily living. Imagine having more energy to play with your grandchildren, taking longer walks without feeling fatigued, or simply enjoying a meal that nourishes both body and spirit. It's important to remember that every small change counts. By choosing the right kinds of eggs and preparing them with care, you are taking control of your health in a simple yet powerful way. The journey toward better well-being doesn't have to be complicated. It can begin with one egg and a commitment to making better choices every day. As you incorporate these insights into your routine, you might start noticing changes that encourage you to keep exploring and experimenting with other healthy habits. But here's the twist. What if this isn't the whole story? What if there's another surprising benefit to eggs that could redefine your understanding of nutrition and aging? In our next video, we'll reveal an unexpected secret about egg consumption that might just change the way you think about your meals forever. Are you ready to uncover the mystery and take the next step in your health journey? Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Before you go, remember that every choice you make today lays the groundwork for a healthier tomorrow. Keep questioning, keep learning, and keep challenging yourself to be the best version of you. Your future self will thank you truly. Now let's delve a little deeper into practical tips and delightful recipes that can make adding an egg a day to your routine both enjoyable and sustainable. For those who may be wondering how to incorporate this simple yet potent food into their meals, the possibilities are nearly endless. Whether you prefer a hearty breakfast, a light lunch, or a nourishing dinner, eggs can be adapted to fit every occasion. Start your day off right with a classic egg scramble, lightly cooked with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and perhaps mixed with some chopped vegetables like spinach and tomatoes. This not only boosts your protein intake, but also gives you a colorful array of vitamins and minerals. For a change of pace, try a soft-boiled egg served with a slice of whole grain toast. The contrast of textures and flavors can make your morning meal feel both satisfying and refreshing. If you're looking for something a bit more adventurous, consider an egg-based salad for lunch. Hard-boiled eggs, chopped and mixed with a bit of mustard, a dash of olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon, can be tossed together with fresh greens to create a dish that is as nutritious as it is flavorful. This kind of meal is not only light and digestible, but it also offers a substantial energy boost without weighing you down. Dinner doesn't have to be complicated either. A simple omelette filled with mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers can serve as a nutritious and delicious end to your day. Cooking eggs in a variety of ways not only prevents the monotony of the same old breakfast every day, but also allows you to explore different textures and tastes that keep your meals exciting. Beyond the recipes, it's important to consider how a small change in your diet can lead to big improvements in your overall quality of life. Many seniors report that incorporating just one egg a day has made a noticeable difference in their energy levels, muscle strength, and even their mood. The key is consistency and making the choice a part of your everyday ritual. Over time, these small nutritional wins add up, giving you more vitality and resilience to face each new day. In addition to the culinary ideas, it is essential to consider the broader impact of integrating eggs into your daily meals. This small change can serve as a gateway to a healthier lifestyle overall. Many seniors have discovered that making mindful decisions about what they eat often leads to other positive habits, such as increased physical activity and a greater commitment to self-care. The consistent inclusion of eggs not only supplies your body with vital nutrients, but also sets a precedent for making other healthy food choices. When you start prioritizing nutrition, it creates a ripple effect that influences every aspect of your day, from how you feel in the morning to how well you sleep at night. Embracing the power of this simple food can truly transform your life, offering a blend of tradition and modern health insights that are easy to adopt and maintain. By integrating these strategies and insights, you pave the way for a vibrant, healthier future. Every egg on your plate is a step towards a more energetic, joyful life, proving that small, mindful choices can lead to extraordinary results. Embrace each day with enthusiasm and let the humble egg be your guide to renewed health and happiness today.